This is my current desktop. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Today I will show you how to make your desktop look awesome with like this wallpaper, neon lights and screen rainmeter. After finished, you will have a desktop like this. Okay, now I will show you how to make it. Let's go. First of all, you download file and push in the description below. You have a zip file, your exact file. After finished, you will have a folder with slightly wallpaper file inside and screen rainmeter. Now you create new folder. With the new folder, you right-click again, rename, and press Alt to file and click to other area. With to file put them in the keypad, and you see name of folder will disappear. Let's do right-click again, some more option, property, customize, change icon, and select this. Okay, apply. Okay, and you see now color of folder change to white. I will explain later about this step. Now you move all file and folder in laptop inside new folder. About recycle bin, you go to setting, personalization, desktop icon setting and unstick recycle bin. Okay. Next step, you go to Microsoft Store and search up like this wallpaper. That's one. You click install. This app will help to set up like this wallpaper for desktop background. You click open. This is app interface. In this window, you click as wallpaper. Click open and links to like this wallpaper file you download from my channel. This one, you click OK, and you see now like this wallpaper file was set for my desktop. You go to setting and change volume to 0. Okay, you can minimize to system change. Next app, you download Chan Solution TP. That's one. You click install. This app will change the taskbar become transparent. You click open. Continue. And you see now my taskbar change to transparent. For more options, you go to system change. Right click to change Solution TP icon. Go to desktop and select option in here. Okay. Now go to Pro and download the rainmeter software. Download. You click open. Okay. Let's install. Finished. You right click and unload on the basic skin from rainmeter. Okay. Now go to system change. Left click to run manage rainmeter. You right click, open folder. Back to skin folder of rainmeter. Now you go to skin folder you download from my channel. Yeah. Copy 3 folder and paste in rainmeter folder. Okay. Refresh on to link inside rainmeter software. You go back skin folder again. Runs to skin master guest visualizer. You right click unload skin. Next is web playing install. Okay. Open this file. This is add on to display information song. When you play music, you go to borrow, add and Chrome, space in here. You click add to Chrome as extension. Make same thing with Chrome Pro. Go back and list rainmeter again. Now our mission is give our own skin to desktop. First is corrupt. You extend it and select icon you easily view and send to desktop. Example, I usually use Chrome. You select right click load on desktop as right click position on desktop. This PC load on desktop and setting right click load on desktop. Okay, let's summarize. Next is Leon. You extend it load to move to here and click through. You can move anywhere you want, and after finish you can click through to fix it in the desktop. Next is monster cast. You extend right click visualizer position on desktop. Next is monster cast. You extend it right click load on desktop. Song information load on desktop. And next is setting load. In this table control, you make setting for visualizer and song information like this. The scale. Okay. Rotation angle, you select it and it's put 270. Enter. Okay, move it to here. Same way to here. Media player, you select webinar playing. Allow access. This will have to display song information from below to here. Visualizer. Setting width. Okay. You can make setting as you want. Okay, you can close. File is a web desktop. You right click load on desktop. You extend setting, right click load. I will guide to you how to use web desktop skin. First, you click this. It will link to a website. In search box, you input your location where you live. Example, I live in New York. Okay, you select this and click search. It will display latitude, longitude. You select latitude, paste in here, enter. Same with the longitude. Copy it, paste in here and enter. And you see now apps display weather information in New York. Choose the skin variant. Current day, 3 day, 6 day. I think 6 day is okay. Side value, you input number in here to make side value. I think okay, it's okay. So hi city name. So hi. And you see city name của hi. We done with the that. I am just finished given on screen to desktop. Now I will make a clean in taskbar by right click and unspin on app. Yeah, about 3 app, you go to setting, personalization, taskbar, and change to off on. Okay, now start bar will make clean. Final step, I will play one music to check the visualizer and song information. And you see visualizer and song information works very well. If you wanna make something change, you go back to rainmeter menu, extend Mastercard visualizer and run setting. In this table control, you input data you want. So I just have a finished set up Leonline Lightless wallpaper and screen rainmeter for my desktop. You can follow my guide to make your desktop look so cool like that. In the beginning of this video, I made something change with this folder, and you see it's after make change it's the same with other icon. I make it because Corrupt don't have a full icon for all software. So if you want access the software which don't have a Corrupt skin, you can input shortcuts or software in this folder, and if you want run it, you can access folder and click to run. It will save the time for you. Okay, if you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.